Hi everyone, this is Infi Desires Doodle, your number one place for doodles, calligraphy, DIY, and hand lettering videos. Hi, so in today's video, we are going to see how to draw very easy drink doodles. Let's get started. So यहाँ पे now I have taken a fine line pen 0.4 है. I have a uniball pen and I am going to start drawing the doodles. बहुत ही simple है. This is our part 8 of the Doodle series for beginners. If you haven't checked out the earlier parts, go check out on my channel. मैंने एक playlist ही बनाया है named as Doodle Series for beginners. So this was a series I started at the start of this year, and हर एक month में I am doing a doodle series with respect to a specific topic. So I hope you like it. ये बहुत ही easy है और I really like drink doodles in the way कि अलग-अलग colors में we get these drinks and soft drinks and everything, and it has like a small umbrella on the top with a straw, and it's very fancy and I really love it, especially when we are on a vacation or out with friends and all. So आज का बहुत easy, बहुत simple है. You just have to draw and color different types. मैंने उसमें चाय भी include किया है, coffee है, bubble tea है, and just different types in different cups and different straws as well. So very simple video this is. You can draw along with me while I'm drawing and color it out as you wish. So this is our topic for today, drink doodles. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm already getting a lot of love for this series and on my channel, so thank you so much for that. Do like it, share it with all your friends, and I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and do share my video. Stay healthy, stay safe. I will see you soon in the next video.